And now, Diecast Newz and Reviewz on the Diecast Media Network.
Hey there folks, Chuck here, and I just wanted to do a quick mail call because this is a vendor that I really like, and I bought some stuff from HHWCustoms recently and wanted to show it off. So, pardon my hands, I just finished a build for the Four Horsemen, and I'm about to start editing that, but I wanted to open this and thought, hey, this is some quality content here, so I wanted to show off what they do. And sells wheels and decals. I'm gonna open these up because these were the pricey wheels. And I've ordered from HHWCustoms before, and they've been really great to work with. So I will link to them in the show notes, the description below. Be sure to check them out. But these are very, very cool. Made with passion, made for you. King Band Adventure Series wheels from Indonesia. Very cool design, very well done. Proper treads on these, very good rubber feel to them. Really nice thin spokes on these. These look very, very realistic. So, and well worth the price. Be sure to, when you go by HHWCustoms, be sure to sign up for the newsletter, because they have some pretty good deals that come up from time to time in sales, and it's good to get those in your inbox. So let's see what else we got in here. So, thank you from Hayden. So there's the card. Check them out. Cool card. Got Christine on it, which automatically gets you a couple of points in my book. So, all right, let's see what we got, because I ordered some Whoopsie decals too. A lot of these guys, like Second Chance Redline, offer the opportunity to buy some not quite ready for primetime decals, and I think this is one of them. I definitely don't recall ordering that. Well, it looks pretty good. And it's got the headlights on it. Anyone recognize that? I think that's the Honda Prelude, if I'm not entirely mistaken. Yeah, it's got like an M on it for misprint. Let's see what else we got in here. Yeah, this is definitely a misprint. Some license plates, all California plates. A little blurry, but those could be fun for a junker if they're heavily covered. I ordered this. This is some carbon fiber decaling. Oh no, I didn't order this. So, I guess this is one of the misprints. So, that's cool. And, I was planning to order that. Or, actually, I think you can order misprint carbon fiber at a discount, because it's just a big sheet of stuff. So these are the things that I was really excited about, because these are their own unique things. And so you got a nice sticker bomb decal sheet there. Check that out. And these really nice decals for the headlights and taillights. And yeah, I can make it myself in Photoshop, and I've almost got my printer back to where I can use it again. But, at the time of this, a lot of these decals were super cheap. I think normally they're $1 a piece, and I got them for half that because there was like a Black Friday deal. So, and he does a lot of headlights and taillights for vehicles that I would normally not do. So this is for the Lexus LS400, which is one of the matchboxes that I'm really excited about doing a custom on. There's a couple of headlights and taillights for the S15, the 300ZX, and he's got some fun 510 decals. And since I'm buddies with the foremost authority on diecast and full scale 510s. I can't say no to some 510 decals. It's that Audi, I think this is the RS2 wagon. Some Silverado quad headlight decals. That's the Honda Prelude. What was that other thing? Let me know in the comments below if you can figure out what this one is. And there's that little Honda, it's an N900 something custom that Hot Wheels came out with that I was very excited about. I wish it had been stock, but you know, I'll take what I can get of Malaise era. Excuse me 1 second. I will call him right back. Anyway, there's another 300 ZX. Got some cool 4-wheel drive tires. Got some nice bead lockers on there. This time around, I normally go for like just steelies, but you know, I'm finally getting to where I got plenty of steelies, so I'm going for more 80s, especially 80s and 90s era custom rims. So, and building up my 4x4 stash because I'm doing a lot of off-road stuff recently. These are very interesting. These like the Le Mans style racing wheels. These are definitely more Euro 80s era wheels. I liked these, the Advan Yokohamas, nice white letters on them. And these are, you know, very 80s 90s off-roader wheels. Other side of those bead lockers. So anyway, that's it. Oh, and a set of axles too. So anyway, that was it. I wanted you to go check out Hayden over at HHWCustoms. It's a good dude, good little business. They've been around for a little while, and you know, if you want to deck out your stuff with some nice stuff at a fair price, and you don't want to pay the international fees that you have to with a lot of the other companies, if you're in the US, they are definitely worth checking out. So check the link in the description below. And thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing to the videos here. I appreciate you sticking around as we figure out what's next for this channel. And as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.